Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about the meristematic tissue, uh, which is simply called as meristem. So first thing, what is its nature? So cells of meristem, it divides continuously. Point to be remember that it divides continuously, and it helps in increasing the length and girth of the plant. So they show the chief characteristic of meristematic tissues are cells are small, cells are cubical in shape, cell wall is thin, nuclei or nucleus is large in size, vacuoles are almost almost absent, and cells are tightly packed with almost no intercellular spaces. No intercellular spaces means there is no space between the two cells, and the cells actively divide, adding new cells to the plant. Actively divide, adding new cells to the plant, and new cells thus produced are transformed into mature permanent tissue and which lost their capacity to divide. So meristems, uh, what is the occurrence where it does occur? Meristematic tissues are growth tissues and are found in the growing region. So what are the growing regions of the plant? So according to the position, point to be remembered, according to the position, plant meristems are apical, lateral, and intercalary. Meristem tissues are always occur at the growing point of the growing part of the plant, growing branches of roots and stem. So here you can see this is a cross section: cytoplasm, thin cell wall, large nucleus, and there is no vacuole. This is the longitudinal section. You can see apical meristem, this area, this one is intercalary, and this one is lateral meristem. So what is the significance of this? So apical meristem, these are situated at the growing tip of stem and roots, where at the growing tips, that is you can say shoot apex and root apex, and it is also found in the apices of the leaves. Apices of leaves. So what is the function? It provide uh, apical growth of the plant, or you can say it help in the growing young leaves near the tip of stem and as well as tip of the axillary buds. So second one is lateral meristem. These are found beneath the bark. Bark, I think you know. Bark is in scientific language, it is also called as cork cambium. And in vascular bundles of dicot roots and stem. And this vascular bundle where this meristem is found is also known as vascular cambium. These two terms you will study in detail in class 11th, how it forms core cambium and vascular cambium. In this class you should know that lateral meristem, it is of two types, core cambium and vascular cambium. Core cambium, it forms at the outer side and vascular at the inner side, or you can say that these are found beneath the bark. And in vascular bundles of dicot roots and stem there is formation of vascular cambium. So it occurs in thin layers, and cambium, it is the region which is responsible for growth in thickness, or you can say in diameter of the plant.